KeePassX is an offline, open-source password manager that's designed for users who prioritize privacy, security, and simplicity. Right from the start, what stands out is that KeePassX doesn't require an internet connection. That means your password database stays local, and you're not uploading sensitive data to the cloud. When you open the application, you're greeted with a minimal interface, definitely not flashy, but functional and efficient. You have to create a database file, set a master password, and that's pretty much your gateway to storing and managing all your other credentials. The good news is that everything is encrypted using AES or two-fish algorithms, giving strong protection. It's reassuring, especially for people who want full control over their data. One thing that's immediately obvious is that KeePassX is not meant for people who want sleek interfaces or mobile integration out of the box. There's no native sync, no built-in cloud support. You have to set those things up manually if you want them. The user interface could definitely be more intuitive. It takes a little time to get used to how things are structured. Creating entries requires attention, since the fields aren't labeled in the friendliest way. But the upside is flexibility. You can create custom fields, attach files, and organize your entries with groups and icons. The auto-type feature is one of the more underrated parts. It lets you automatically fill in credentials into other applications without needing a browser extension, which is a rare but useful feature. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. On the downside, if you're someone who likes using mobile apps, you'll need to look for third-party alternatives that can open KeePassX databases, like KeePassX or KeePass2 Android. But those come with their own learning curve. Another challenge is that there's no easy password recovery. If you forget your master password, your data is gone. That's by design. But it's worth noting for anyone new to this kind of software. The experience overall feels very focused on security and user control. There are no ads, no account setups, and no analytics. Just a local file that you're entirely responsible for. This is a double-edged sword. You get full privacy, but you also have to handle things like database backups and syncing if you use multiple devices. If you're a Linux user or someone who values open-source software and data sovereignty, KeePassX is a solid choice. It's not for everyone, especially if you're looking for a set-it-and-forget-it type of app. But if you want something reliable, lightweight, and free from corporate influence, it holds up very well. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment with your favorite password manager. Thanks for watching.